How's it going, everyone? I'm Andrew with SpeedTech Lights, and today we'll be going over our Striker Traffic Advisor series. Now we offer these units in our Striker 6 and Striker 8 models here, and when you get your light bar out of the box, you'll have your light bar going to your cable harness, and then you'll notice your cig-plug here, which you'll use for power, or you can cut and hardwire if you'd like to. And then you'll see your connector here, which is to be used with our optional direct control. And then you'll notice your aux cable here, where you can hook up to 10 amps of additional lighting all off of your direct control. Now we offer these units in amber, red, blue, green, and clear, in solid, half-half, and alternating color combinations. So let's go over a couple of those. So here I brought our Striker 6 in amber and our Striker 8 in red blue, and then back here I brought our Striker 8 in a green clear alternating color setup. But again, in both of these units you can get a solid color in amber, red, blue, green, and clear, or you can do half-half or alternating. Now you'll notice my units are on different flash patterns here, but each of these units will come with multiple flash patterns programmed in them, and each unit will have memory recall as well. Now a really cool feature with our direct control box is you can control your speed here between slow and fast. So you'll see I'm in slow mode here, and then I can flip to fast mode, or I can go back to slow mode. Now we do offer several mounting options for your traffic advisor. So we have our 90-degree suction cup bracket, our 360-degree suction cup and L bracket, our adjustable and static headliner brackets, and our surface mount end caps. And if you'd like to exterior mount your unit, we do have the ability to weatherproof these. And then finally, you'll have your windshield visors as options for each size as well. So that covers our Striker Traffic Advisor series. Make sure to watch our flash pattern videos and also check out our interactive player right below the main product pictures. If you have any questions, give us a call or shoot us an email. We'll talk to you soon. Thanks.